Thank you, children, for welcoming our little children as my co-host for today's evening. I request Akshaya Sri, Madhuhasini, Shriyanshi Kulkarni and Zunaira to host the program.
And to entertain us with this stunning dance performance, I invite students of second class to perform their action song.
Wasn't that an amazing dance with such beautiful expression performance?
साल और इसके लोक संस्कृति और उपलब्धियों के गौरवशाली इतिहास को मनाने का एक अमृत उत्सव है, आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव, जिसकी आधिकारिक यात्रा 12 मार्च 2021 को शुरू हुई थी। यह समारोह स्वतंत्रता की हमारी 75वीं वर्षगांठ से 15 साथ स्वागत कीजिए द्वारा रचित किया गया है। तो आपकी जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत।
for giving us your wonderful time. Before the launch, let me first acknowledge the presence of our eminent guest of today's evening, the Honorable Chief Guest of today's evening, Shri Tanniru Harish Rao Garu, who is currently serving as a Minister of Finance in Telangana State since September 2019. He is also serving as MLA from Siddipet constituency since 2004. As a Irrigation Minister, Sir started work in numerous capacities. We welcome you, sir. We welcome your presence. Saraswati Mahabage Vidya Kamala Lochane Vidya Rupe Visalakshi Vidyam Dehi Namostute. Now we'll have our traditional auspicious light lantern ceremony as a tribute to light a lamp. I also request our principal sir to accompany him. I also request students of class 9 to present a melodious Saraswati Vandana. Saraswati. I also request BMC members to accompany our chief guest Harish Rao Garu. Now I would like to invite students of our Vidyalaya, who is a choir group, to have welcome song. I request you children to come on to the dais and welcome our chief guest and parents for the welcome song. And I also request the children who are in the costume to be in the green room.
We welcome you to this long-awaited evening. It is indeed a great gesture from a tall leader like you, who think day in and day out about the welfare and well-being of each and every one of the legislation just after a couple of months of studies. We are given a temporary accommodation which is almost at par with permanent building, hiring from a private agency. Generally, almost all temporary accommodations of KV are government owned. Indeed, I am blessed and thankful to KVS to be posted here in...
Madam, please. Madam, sir has very short time. We want to show up the talents of our children. Please be seated, ma'am. I request all the parents.
Attempts and achievements of this Vidyalaya during the academic session 1920, 2021, 21, them learn from home. Last but not the least, this is a pace-setting organization in the field of education. It is an all-round development and development of various competencies in the school-going students. Right from 1965, during its more than 5 decades history, it had evolved and made all its policies child-centric. Our alumni is a standing example of the success saga of the organization. The free and fearless environment that we create in the classrooms, activities conducted in the morning, to introduce herself to celebrate her birthday. Your thoughtful gesture of committed efforts, dedication of your time. I would like to put an end to this exhaustive the annual report. Before I put an end to this, I would like to express my...
As you all know that Kane House got first prize with 83 points. I request house captains of Raman House, T. Vaishnavi and P. Rushikesh to come onto the dais along with his housemaster Neela Rahul. T. Vaishnavi and P. Rushikesh come onto the dais to receive the trophy.
Runner Ashoka House, they got 73 points with Sringa Pravindya.
So we are well known that not only in co-curricular activities, our students are well. We have 2 children who got selected, which is Ganne Kirtana. I request Ganne Kirtana to come onto the dais and also Shriyanshi Kulkarni to come onto the dais. Children's Science Congress, National Children's Science Congress. And we have teacher achiever who is Soma Ravikant, who guided them for National Children's Science Congress, TGT Mathematics. Again, Inspire Manak Award. I think Ganne Kirtana will become a scientist in future. And then I want to take his certificate and also award from sir. We invite you. Poster making, Sirimovika for solo singing, T. Vaishnavi for quiz, Pavani for fancy dress competition, Anirvesh again for quiz, Pranika for solo song. I request these children to come on to the dais quickly and take your certificates. Please give them a big clap. They worked hard for all these awards. Now we have my co-host, children co-host, Madhuhasini, Akshaya, Zunaira and also Shriyanshi. They will continue the
इतिहास को मनाने का एक अमृत उत्सव है, आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव, जिसकी आधिकारिक यात्रा 12 मार्च 2021 को शुरू हुई थी। यह समारोह स्वतंत्रता की हमारी 75वीं वर्षगांठ से 15 सप्ताह पहले शुरू। डांस के लिए मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी श्री कीर्ति एंड टीम। कला, संस्कृति, दुर्ग, रेगिस्तान, लोक नृत्य आदि हमारी आंखों के सामने दिखाई देने लगती है। राजस्थान का जयपुर शहर गुलाबी नगरी, पिंक सिटी के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है। तो आप सबकी जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए राजस्थान।
होना चाहिए। दिखाने को तो हम रात भर डांस दिखाएं आपको, मगर आपकी तालियों में भी थोड़ा जोर होना चाहिए। जोरदार तालियां तो बनती हैं।
हमारा राज्य है तेलंगाना की संस्कृति बहुत अलग है। चावल का कटोरा कहा जाता है। तेलंगाना ने कोविड समय में कई राज्यों में चावल निर्यात किया। इस विषय पर हमारे विद्यालय के कुछ छात्र छात्राओं नागल्लू पट्टंडी गीत लेकर प्रस्तुत है। तो तेलंगाना लोकगीत नागल्लू पट्टंडू के लिए मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी श्रेष्ठा एंड टीम।
Let us spend time with Lord Yama. So for that, let us invite Nachketa and group for this Telugu skit.
నరులారా భటులారా, నేటి నుంచి నేనే యువధర్మరాజు. ఈ రోజు నుంచి నరకాన్నే మార్చేస్తున్నాను. ఆడండి, పాడండి, ఆనందించండి. ఈ రోజు నుంచి పూలోక వాసులైనా చనిపోతే స్వర్గం కన్నా నరకానికే రావాలని కోరుకోవాలి. ఆడండి. ఆడండి, బాగా ఆడండి.
లైట్ ఈ కలర్
ధననాయక భటులారా ఏమి మదమాశ్చర్యము ఒక్కరు పలుకుటలేదే ఏమి మానవుడి బంబోల జంబ నేను పగ సాధించాలని రప్పించిన మానవుడు మా పీఠము కేసరు పెట్టుటయా ఓరి మానవ మతి తప్పినదా మదమెక్కినదా ధర్మాసనమును స్పర్శించుటకు అర్హత లేని నీవు దానిని అధిష్ఠించుటయా ఈ మానవ జాతి అల్పము స్వల్పము హేయము హే నీచ నీచం తల వంచి మొక్కుటేరా దిక్కు మీ నీచ మానవ జాతికి ఏమంటివి మానవ జాతి నీచమా ఎంత మాట వైతరణి వరకు వెంటాడి వేధించి ముప్పు తిప్పలు పెట్టి మీ ధర్మ సూత్రములను మంట గడిపి ప్రతి ప్రాణముడు దక్కించుకున్న నారీమణి సావిత్రిదే జాతి మానవ జాతి తన భక్తితో సాక్షాత్ పరమశివుని ప్రత్యక్షము గావించి మీ పాశమును సైతం గడ్డిపోచ గావించి ప్రాణహరులైన మిమ్ములనే ప్రాణభయంతో పరుగులెత్తించిన బసివాడు మార్కండేయుడిదే జాతి మానవ జాతి నీచమన్న మా జాతి మూలమున ఏనాడో ప్రతిష్ట మూట కట్టుకున్న మీరు నేను జాతి అని మమ్మ అవహేళన చేయుటయా ఎంత అవివేకం ఎంత అజ్ఞానం ఎంత కుసంస్కారము నేటి నుంచి దేవుడు అదుగుడు రెండముడు అన్న గిచ్చవాన్ని కూకటి వేళ్లతో సైతం పగలించి వేసద మొక్కులు పొందే ముక్కోటి దేవతలు దిక్కుల నేలే అష్టదిక్పాలకులు మనుగడనిచ్చే పంచభూతముల సైతం ఏమన్నారని హర్షించే విధంగా సింహాసనం అధిష్ఠించదా స్వర్ణమణిమే రక్తకచ్చాలంకృతమైన ఈ సభా మందిరమున అకుంఠిత సేవాధ్యక్ష పరివార సమూహ మధ్యమున భూతల పరిరక్షణాధనమైన ఈ గౌరవమున సర్వదా శతదా శాశ్వత బహుముఖ్యమైన కుల మత జాతి కులమును సమూలంగా శాశ్వతముగా ప్రక్షాళన గావించదా Any doubts?
Thank you, the students of our Vidyalaya, for
Thank you.
kid performance. Now, the next dance is our partnering state in
and who understands sustainability so well. He talks and preaches sustainability. I'd like to invite sir to bless our children to give your message, sir.
అమ్మ మందం బల్లేసుకున్నది కానీ నాకు అవసరం లేదు. గౌరవనీయులైనటువంటి ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు మార్కండేయులు గారు, అండ్ మై డియర్ టీచర్స్ అండ్ పేరెంట్స్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వామ్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. సరే, నేను ఆలస్యంగా వచ్చి ఇంకా ఎక్కువసేపు మాట్లాడితే మీకు ఇప్పటికే జర కోపం ఉండి ఉంటుంది. ఛాన్సే కూర్చోబెట్టిండు మంత్రి గారు, మా పిల్లల డ్యాన్సులు చూడలేకపోయినామని. సో ఇంకా ఎక్కువసేపు నేను మాట్లాడి మిమ్మల్ని విసిగించను. నాకు కూడా ఈరోజు కార్యక్రమాల ఒత్తిడి ఎక్కువగా ఉండడం వల్ల కొంత ఆలస్యంగా వచ్చాను. మీరందరూ పెద్ద మనసుతో క్షమించాలని కోరుతూ, ఈ కేంద్రీయ విద్యాలయం అనేది సంవత్సరాలు నిరంతరం ప్రయత్నం చేయగా 2018లో దీన్ని మనం సాధించుకోగలిగాం. ఒకప్పుడు యూపీఏ ప్రభుత్వం ఉన్నప్పుడు నా అనుభవం, చాలా ఢిల్లీకి వెళ్ళి ప్రయత్నం చేసి ఆ లిస్ట్లో సిద్దిపేట పేరు ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయించాను. ఆమోదం అయిపోయింది. కానీ చివరి నిమిషంలో అప్పుడున్నటువంటి మంత్రి గారు పల్లం రాజు గారని హెచ్ఆర్డి మినిస్టర్ ఉండేవారు ఢిల్లీలో. లాస్ట్ మినిట్ హీ కటెడ్ సిద్దిపేట అండ్ యాడెడ్ తెనాలి. సో అట్లా సిద్దిపేటకు వస్తూ తెనాలికి పోయింది అప్పుడు, ఉమ్మడి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్రంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు. అయినా నేను వదలకుండా నిరంతరం ప్రయత్నం చేస్తే ఈ కేంద్రీయ విద్యాలయం 2018లో మన సిద్దిపేటకు వచ్చింది. సో సిద్దిపేట ఒక విద్యాక్షేత్రంగా ఎదగాలని కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఇన్ మై లాస్ట్ 18 years of public representative, I brought many educational institutes to Siddipet. I got 4 polytechnic colleges. One is veterinary polytechnic, second is agriculture polytechnic, third is women's polytechnic, fourth is a general polytechnic college. In the last 18 years we got 4 polytechnic colleges, 1 government ITI, 1 PG college, and the second one in private sector. We got 2 medical colleges and 2 nursing colleges, one in government and the other in private sector. We got Siddipet got 2 nursing colleges, 2 medical colleges, PG college, 4 polytechnic colleges, and very shortly we are going to get BVSC, Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences. That is also a doctorate in veterinary. That institute also very shortly we are going to add it to Siddipet. So now Siddipet got everything. Slowly we are making this as an education hub. In fact, in last few years, I am requesting many corporates and institutions to establish one of the best private university in Siddipet. I hope in a very short period, definitely we are going to get a private university to Siddipet, a world-class private university to Siddipet. So likewise, I would like to make the Siddipet as an education hub. Now Siddipet already became a water hub. North, south, east, west, whichever the side you see, Siddipet has a reservoir. Ranganayak Sagar, Konda Pochama Sagar, Mallanna Sagar. Likewise, all around Siddipet is covered with full of reservoirs and Kaleshwaram water. Siddipet has become a water hub. Siddipet already, it is in the process of becoming an education hub, and very shortly this is going to be a junction, railway junction. So Siddipet is centrally located for the state of Telangana. Once Siddipet gets connected this railway line, you can go to North India, you can go to South India, wherever you want. So Siddipet will become a hub. So like Siddipet, we are developing national highways, railways, roads, education, and agriculture and water. So Siddipet got everything. One meeting, the Honorable CM told, Siddipet got everything except airport. Except airport, we got everything. Told by our Honorable CM, like in the last 7-8 years, slowly we are achieving one after one. I am so happy by seeing the students' performances and their fluency, the way they are talking, the way they are delivering. I was so happy. Really, today my dreams are fulfilled. So the way when I thought of getting this Kendriya Vidyalayam to Siddipet, really today I enjoyed. In fact, I don't have time. If I would have time, I would have sit for till the last. But I really assure and I promise for next anniversary, I'll come on time and I'll sit till the end. So today you all please excuse me for coming late and going in the first. But anyhow, all my best wishes to the children and the parents and to the teachers and the principal. I must congratulate the principal and the teachers. In fact, there are few regular teachers. With only 4 numbers, they are doing wonderful performance. My hearty congratulations to the principal and to the teachers, the parents. Very shortly, we are going to construct a new building with 24 crores for this Kendriya Vidyalayam near Ensanpalli village. But till the time, the principal is requesting, next academic year we are going to add 10th class. He wants few more rooms. I will instruct the district collector to talk to you and organize the additional classrooms to run the 10th class. So once again, I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's our request to take our felicitation. He made water painting for you, sir, and he sent it through us. On his behalf, we are going to present it to you, sir.
Archana madam.
Thank you, sir. It's our privilege. On such a hectic schedule, you came over here and spent some time with us.
Many more benefits. To do such a beneficial asanas, I invite team of Surya Namaskara onto the stage.
Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khadaya Namaha. Om Pushne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवित्र सूर्य नारायणाय नमः
show. So I request you not to shoot the video. All the videos will be given to you by the photographer who is taking the shoot. So I request not to crowd over here.
7. This is a Ganesh Stuti.
That was a phenomenal dance performance. And
देश का एक राज्य है जिसे हम पश्चिम का द्वार भी कहते हैं। यहाँ की संस्कृति बहुत ही सुंदर होती है। यहाँ की मशहूर नृत्य कलाएं हैं गरबा, डांडिया, पाधार, टिपानी आदि। ये त्योहारों पर किए जाने वाले नृत्य कलाएं हैं। मैं आपको एक शायरी सुनाना चाहूँगी। मन मचलकर मोर होना चाहिए, इस शानदार सी शाम में थोड़ा शोर होना चाहिए। दिखाने को तो हम रात भर डांस दिखाएं आपको, मगर आपकी तालियों में भी थोड़ा जोर होना चाहिए।
सजिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी जयावे आजा आजा टमटमाता शमणाओ जयावे
performance, but they took us into the world of Gujarati, and your energy is so incredible.
Form of physical exercise that combines rhythmic aerobic exercise with strength training routines with the goal of improving all elements of fitness. Now I invite the team to entertain us all with their energetic dance performance.
on the difference between rich parents and poor parents. Here we will see the situations where neither rich parent children nor poor parent children are happy. We are here gonna see how the state of mind of children is affected by the parents' behavior and the children and the parents' will. To give us a valuable message and to encourage us, let's invite Nainika and team to perform their skit. So
we are going to perform a skit. The skit is about the importance of parents in bringing up their children. My name is Sri Maitreyi. I am from 8th class. My role is commentator. In this skit, we have two families. One is the rich and the other one is poor.
My name is Ashrita. I am from class 8. My role is rich mother.
My name is Shriyankita. I am from 6th class. My role is rich daughter. I am Perishka from class 9. My role is rich father.
My name is Tanmay. I am from 8th class. My role is HM.
My name is Chelsea. I am from 7th class. My role is poor daughter.
My name is Adnan. I am from class 9. My role is poor father. My name is K. Visham. I am from class 9. My role is attendant.
I am Rishikesh from class 9. My role is teacher.
I am Vishesh from class 9. My role is teacher.
What's the matter, auntie? You seem to be worried. Nothing. It's about my daughter. She is suffering from fever since 3 days and I have to be at home to take care of her. Don't worry, auntie. She will get well soon. Thank you, dear. By the way, can you tell your mom that I will not come tomorrow? Yes, I can do that. Thank you, dear. Bye. Bye, auntie. It's morning 6 o'clock. Diya's mother came from late night party and Diya is getting ready for her school. Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, dear. Nidhi, can you get me a cup of tea? I'm totally boozed after the late night party.
Mom, she went back home last night and she will not be coming today as her daughter is suffering from fever.
What? This is terrible. How can she do that? Who will do these household chores? And I have to go to a kitty party.
Mama, prepare something for me. I have to go to school.
Oh, wait. Take this money and buy some breakfast and lunch from your school canteen.
Please prepare something for me. I like the chapatis that you prepare.
No, dear, I have no energy left in me to prepare chapatis now. And evening I have to attend a kitty party. So can you manage this today?
Oh, how unlucky I am. Nidhi auntie, such a wonderful mother. She looks after me with her. But my parents have no time for me. Scene of poor family.
I feel good, Mama. I'm so glad and I have been selected for National Science exam.
Oh, that's well good news. Congratulations. I am so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama. It's all because of you.
I am very happy for you, my dear. All the best.
And don't hesitate to ask any books you need. We are there for you.
Sure, Mama.
Work hard and focus on your studies.
Okay, Papa. Let me go and prepare now.
Okay, go now.
Do you know tomorrow is Chelsea's birthday?
Yes, I remember. How can I forget that?
But I don't have any money to get her a gift.
Oh, don't worry. We will take some advance from my boss.
Okay, we will get her a gift.
Sure.
Scene of rich family. Parents are sitting and daughter enters. Good evening, Mama and Papa.
Good evening, dear.
Do you know what's special tomorrow?
Don't disturb me, dear. I am very busy. Ask your.
Oh, yes, tomorrow is my friend's daughter marriage and I have to go to Delhi.
No, tomorrow is my birthday.
Oh, sorry, my apologies. We just forgot about it.
Tell us what you want on your birthday. I can give you anything you ask.
Mom, Dad, I don't want anything from you both. I just want you both to spend a little time with me.
Sorry, dear. I have an urgent board meeting. I can't miss that.
Mama, at least you spend some time with me.
Sorry, dear, you know, I have to attend a marriage.
Dad, can I ask something?
Of course, my child. What is that?
How much salary do you earn per day?
Oh, I don't remember exactly. Maybe 10,000. But why?
I don't want it.
Why are you sad, Dia?
Today is my birthday and no one is just to celebrate it.
Oh, happy birthday, Dia. Don't worry, I am there for you. Today I will make your favorite pasta.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you, Auntie.
Welcome.
Scene of Mom, Dad, I got first prize in English quiz. My teachers invited you both for this school function.
Good for you, congratulations, but I can't come to the school function.
Dad, can you?
Sorry, dear. I have an important business deal. I can't attend the function.
Mama, at least you should attend this function.
Why?
I think to attend a wedding party.
When would she return?
Maybe after a month.
That's good.
Mama and Papa, our teachers came to visit you.
Oh, namaste teachers. Welcome.
Please take your seats.
What brings you here today, sir?
Congratulations, sir. Your child has been selected for a trip to NASA.
NASA? What is NASA, sir?
NASA means National Aeronautics Space Administration Research Center, sir.
What is it, sir?
They are the best scientists who go to research in space.
Seats. Thank you. We are dear parents. Is everything fine?
Dear parents, your daughter is very intelligent and active in all the activities. But nowadays she looks so sad and lonely. I think it's due to your negligence towards her. I request you to spend a little time with her and take care about her. If you will not take care about her, then she may go to depression.
Sorry, ma'am. We never thought of it. We will take care of her.
Spite of their busy schedule and guide them in all the activities, especially in their budding stage. So it's an important duty to bring up your children in a proper manner. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens. The future of our country is in our hands. Thank you.
Give it up for the students.
शायरियाँ देखने को मिलेंगी इस नाटिका में।
Aimed at making you laugh and not intended to hurt anybody's feeling. Due to corona, lot of our children are glued to mobile phone, TV and also tab, etc. and also social media. We, the teachers, are trying our level best to make them unfold again and process of molding them. We hope that you all will appreciate our efforts.
मैं 8वीं कक्षा में पढ़ रहा हूँ। आज मैं इस नाटिका में अध्यापक का पात्र निभा रहा हूँ।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मार्कनंदन गौड़े, मैं 6वीं कक्षा में पढ़ रहा हूँ। आज हम सब इस नाटिका में छात्र का पात्र निभा रहे हैं।
जी
सुप्रभात। सुप्रभात। आप सब ठीक है?
हाँ सर।
ठीक है, बैठ जाओ। ठीक है, आप सब होमवर्क किए हैं?
हाँ सर।
ओके। अरे मिंकू उठो।
हाँ सर, बोलिए।
तुम होमवर्क किए हैं?
नहीं सर।
अरे बेटा, क्यों नहीं किए?
सर लाइट नहीं थी।
तो मोमबत्ती जला लेते।
सर मैचेस नहीं थी।
क्यों मैचेस नहीं थी?
सर मैचेस पूजा घर में रखी थी।
तो पूजा घर से ले लेनी थी।
सर नहाया नहीं था।
क्यों नहाया नहीं था?
सर पानी नहीं था।
क्यों पानी नहीं था?
सर मोटर नहीं चल रही थी।
क्यों मोटर नहीं चल रही थी?
सर कितने बार बताऊं, लाइट नहीं थी।
नालायक, बैठ जाओ। मार्क उठो।
हाँ सर।
तुम ये बताओ कि एक तरफ पैसा और दूसरी तरफ अकल, तुम क्या चुन लोगे?
सर मैं तो पैसे ही चुनूंगा।
गलत बात। मैं तुम्हारी जगह हो तो मैं अकल ही चुन लूंगा।
हाँ सर, आपने ठीक कहा। एक आदमी को जिस चीज की कमी होती है वो उसे ही चुनते हैं सर।
बस बैठ जाओ। अरे मनोज उठो।
हाँ सर।
तुम तेज उड़ने वाली चिड़िया का नाम बताओ।
सर हाथी।
हाथी? ये गलत है। तुम्हारा पापा क्या करते हैं?
सर मेरा पापा दाऊद इब्राहिम का शूटर है।
ठीक है, ठीक है। बच्चों लिखो हाथी। सब जूली, तुम ये बताओ कि 1869 में क्या हुआ?
सर 1869 में गांधी जी का जन्म हुआ था।
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। और तुम ये बताओ कि 1872 में क्या हुआ?
सर 1872 में गांधी जी 3 साल के हो गए थे।
Stupid! बैठ जाओ। अरे जिष्णु उठो।
हाँ सर।
तुम किसी एक साइंटिस्ट का नाम बताओ।
सर आलिया भट्ट।
आलिया भट्ट? मैं तुमको ये सिखा रहा हूँ।
नहीं सर, ये तो बचपन से तोतरा है। इसका मतलब आर्यभट्ट।
आर्यभट्ट? ठीक है, बैठ जाओ। रंगोली उठो।
हाँ सर।
One simple question. Name an animal which lives in desert.
Sir a camel.
Very good. Can you name other animal which lives in desert?
Very simple sir. Another camel.
Stupid. तुमको ये बात पता? दिल्ली में कुतुब मीनार है।
अच्छा सर, ठीक है सर।
अरे डोली, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? उठो।
जी सर, आप कह रहे थे कि दिल्ली में कुतुब मीनार है।
Stupid. बैठो। अरे मिंकू उठो।
हाँ सर, बोलिए।
कल एक लेसन याद करने के लिए बोला ना, कंप्लीट किया?
नहीं सर, नहीं कर पाया।
क्यों?
सर लाइट चली गई थी।
तो दोबारा नहीं आया?
सर आई तो थी गुरुजी, जैसे मैं पढ़ने बैठा फिर से चले गई।
फिर उसके बाद लाइट कभी नहीं
आई तो थी, इस कारण से मैं नहीं बैठा, कहीं लाइट दोबारा ना चले जाए।
नालायक, बैठो। डोली उठो।
जी सर।
तुम सोच समझ करके एक कहानी सुनो, हमको एक अच्छा शिक्षा मिलती है।
सर मैंने उसे फ़ोन किया, उसने नहीं उठाया। जब उसने मुझे फ़ोन किया, मैंने नहीं उठाया। इससे हमें यह शिक्षा मिलती है कि जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी।
ठीक है ठीक है। अरे दाऊद इब्राहिम का शूटर का बेटा उठो।
हाँ सर।
तुम मरने के बाद स्वर्ग में जाइए या नर्क में?
सर मुझे पहले एक सेलफोन और चार्जर दीजिए। मैं स्वर्ग या नर्क मुझे कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं कहीं भी रह लूंगा।
अरे सार गिर गया, पानी लाओ पानी लाओ।
अरे तुम सर को पानी डालोगे क्या? सर कितने महान व्यक्ति है कि उसे स्प्राइट या कोको कोला डालो।
नहीं पानी ही।
अरे कोको कोला है।
पानी ही।
कोको कोला है।
पानी ही।
कोको कोला है।
धन्यवाद। जैसे भारत के अंतर्गत हमारा साथी राज्य हरियाणा है, जैसे कि बतकम्मा, बोनालू आदि। हम सब जानते हैं कि तेलंगाना भारत में सबसे ज़्यादा चावल उगाता है। कुछ देर पहले आपने तेलंगाना की संस्कृति के बारे में जाना है एवं एक मनमोहक लोकगीत भी सुना है। तो अब मैं तेलंगाना ग्रुप डांस के लिए मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी हाशियश्री एंड टीम। जब खुदा की नीली छतरियां तनती हैं, ये नन्हे फूल तब महकते हैं चार तालियां तो बनती हैं।
Is something which connects the whole world together. It is beyond just words, it is about feeling. Now I want to invite the students of our Vidyalaya to take us into
पर उपस्थित सभी
श्रोतागणों को हम इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूजिशियन की तरफ से हार्दिक सादर प्रणाम, नमस्कार एवं साधुवाद। हर किसी की बात में नहीं है, हर किसी की बस में नहीं है ये चीज़ें। बच्चे हैं, हम सीख रहे हैं, मैं भी सीख रहा हूँ, बच्चे भी सीख रहे हैं। गलतियाँ होंगी, 100% गलतियाँ होंगी। गलतियों पर नज़र न दे, ध्यान न दें और बच्चों को ब्लेसिंग दें। कीबोर्ड पर मेरा साथ दे रही हैं 9th क्लास से तन्मयी एंड श्री मूवी का। गिटार पर साथ दे रहे हैं 7th क्लास से अनिर्वेश, और कांगो पर साथ दे रहे हैं अभिनय 7th क्लास से राजा रेड्डी। तालुला पे ध्यान दे रहे, साथ दे रहे हैं
good evening to all of you. Please give a big round of applause for all these musicians here. A special applause to Mr. Rajakumar Chauhan, who is a music teacher. Thank you, sir, for this melodious piece of music. And thank you, children. I am very happy to present before you the inmates of Bal Sadan, who have been a part and parcel of all the celebrations in Kendriya Vidyalaya Siddipet. The children come to us on many occasions, and today it was a very big occasion. So we invited them here. So I request all of you to give them a big round of applause and boost their morale. We are going to present a few gifts to them, which they will carry and cherish for their time. Thank you all.
We always call them for every occasion which we celebrate grandly. We invited them for sports day. We invited them for community lunch. That there is some surprise for you, students. What is that? Can anyone guess? Oh, that's right. Tomorrow is a holiday. You got exhausted with the dance practices and watching the program, right? So tomorrow will be holiday for the school. So take rest and come. VMC member and also one of the teachers from KV, Archana ma'am, to come on to the dais and give this. So we have learned share and care. So we are doing it all the time in our Vidyalaya. To come over here and to join us. We invite you, sir. Love, care and share. That is what we are learning, and our students are following it. They are being friends with Bal Sadan students from past around 2 years. I have shared few books with them. They shared some painting colors. Whenever they feel it's important to give them something, they are sharing few things with them. Few get such type of good habits in your children, and let us hope this type of behavior will bring up our children. I also invite few of our teachers, Bhairava sir, Bhumaya sir, Rajakumar Chauhan sir onto the stage and accompany us. I also invite other teachers who are available here. National Anthem children, choir group to be ready here on the stage for one photo session. Thank you, children. So keep coming to our school for all the occasions. We hope you will be with us. Mr. Ramesh Chandra Bhairava sir, to give vote of thanks. I invite you sir to thank all the parents, performers and teachers and
4 पंक्तियों के साथ धन्यवाद ज्ञापन शुरू करना चाहूँगा। काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए। काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए। हर कदम ऐसा चलो कि निशान बन जाए। यह जिंदगी तो हर कोई काट लेता है। यह जिंदगी तो हर कोई काट लेता है। जिंदगी जियो इस कदर, जिंदगी जियो इस कदर कि मिसाल बन जाए। विद्यालय प्रांगण में सभी विराजमान अतिथिगण एवं अभिभावकगण से अनुरोध करना चाहूँगा कि विद्यालय के नन्हे मुन्ने जितने भी बच्चों ने यहाँ पर आकर अपनी प्रस्तुति दी, उन सभी के लिए अपने दिल से एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजा करके उनका स्वागत कर दें। पूजनीय मां शरणीय मुख्य अतिथि जी श्री टी हरीश राव, माननीय वित्त, चिकित्सा एवं स्वास्थ्य मंत्री तेलंगाना सरकार, आदरणीय प्राचार्य जी, विद्यालय प्रबंधक समिति के सभी सदस्यगण, विद्यालय प्रांगण में विराजमान सभी अतिथि एवं अभिभावकगण, बाल सदन के पधारे हुए बच्चे एवं मैम एवं मेरे विद्यालय के सभी प्यारे बच्चों, मैं रमेश चंद्र बैरवा, टीजीटी संस्कृत, केंद्रीय विद्यालय सिद्धिपेट की ओर से आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूं। सर्वप्रथम मैं विद्यालय मैनेजमेंट को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने मुझे इस अवसर पर पधारे हुए अतिथिगण, अभिभावकगण एवं महान व्यक्तित्व का धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करने का अवसर प्रदान किया। आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि जी ने अपना बहुमूल्य समय निकालकर हमारे बच्चों के प्रोत्साहन के लिए यहाँ विद्यालय में पधारे। मैं उनको कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। साथ ही विद्यालय प्रांगण में पधारे हुए सभी अतिथिगण, अभिभावकगण, आप सभी ने अपना कीमती समय निकालकर अपने बच्चों को प्रोत्साहन करने के लिए विद्यालय में पधारे। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में केंद्रीय विद्यालय सिद्धिपेट के टीचिंग स्टाफ, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ, कंजर्वेंसी स्टाफ, सभी का हार्दिक दिल से धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करना चाहता हूं। आप सभी अतिथिगण, अभिभावकगण इसी प्रकार हमारे विद्यालय में पधारते रहे और हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों का उत्साहवर्धन करते रहे। हमारे अच्छे तरीके से पूरे कार्यक्रम का मंच संचालन, उन 4 बालिकाओं का स्वागत करें। जुनैरा, अक्षयाश्री, मधुहासिनी एवं श्रियांशी।
सतीश चिన్న बैटरी चार्जर పెట్టింది చిన్న चार्जर పెట్టి
संचालन कर अपनी प्रतिभा का प्रदर्शन किया है। ऐसा लग रहा है तालियों का अकाल पड़ गया है। सभी अभिभावकों से अनुरोध करूंगा कि जोरदार तालियां बजा करके बच्चों का स्वागत करें। आपकी तालियों के साथ साथ ही बच्चों का उत्साहवर्धन होता है और तालियों के लिए ही, सिर्फ तालियों के लिए ही बच्चे आकर के अपनी प्रतिभा का प्रदर्शन करते हैं। And I also request Taruni.
పంపే రైట్ ఓకే